Fucking idiot. Ew. My greatest accomplishment? Aunt Shorty's here. I'm tired. I think Pizza Hut gets a bad rep, but Pizza Hut is fucking good. And fuck you if you think otherwise. Wowie! Pog champion.
Gentle Sage is not so gentle after all.
You loud ass bitch. I'd be burping.
Placing sentry.
No, go get nachos to bring upstairs. Fuck me. Paige is like really creepy.